Are you looking for a secure and reliable way to protect your data or account information? Then let us introduce you to Keeper. Keeper offers a variety of features to help keep your data safe, including the recently released 24-word phrase recovery method. This new recovery method replaces the typical security question and answer recovery method. Instead of the security questions, you now need to remember a random 24-word phrase to recover access to your vault. But don't worry, it's not as hard as it sounds. Keeper uses an encryption process to protect your data. It all starts with the 24-word recovery phrase, which generates a unique 256-bit ICE key. This key then decrypts the user's ICE data key, which in turn decrypts each vault record. All of this is based on the Bitcoin Improvement Proposal 39, BIP 39, system, which is the same system used to protect crypto wallets. The 24 random words used to generate the encryption keys come from a carefully chosen list of 2048 words, designed to make the recovery process less error-prone. Keeper recommends that users store the recovery phrase in a physical safe and not on a computer or any other device. Keeper Enterprise and business customers have more control, as administrators can disable account recovery as an option for users in the organization. Of course, users with two-factor authentication enabled will need to enter the codes generated on their other device. While the 24-word phrase is a secure way to recover access to your vault, Keeper cautions that if you forget both your master password and the recovery phrase, then you will be locked out of your account permanently, as Keeper cannot recover them for you. So keep your data safe with Keeper and its 24-word phrase recovery method. Sign up to Tech Radar Pro for the latest news and guidance for your business to succeed.